Hello everyone. Today, we will learn how to set up a GDPR cookie consent banner for your WordPress website in just 2 minutes. Using the Cookie Yes GDPR Cookie Consent plugin by Webtoffee. Here is a quick look at the banner that we are going to create today by using the plugin. The first thing you need to do for creating this banner is to install and activate the plugin. You can find the link to the plugin in the description below. Next, you can go to the plugin settings page and choose the type of law that you are aiming to comply with. Here I am choosing GDPR. You can then save the changes. Now, move on to the next tab to customize the cookie banner. Here you can add a banner heading, enter a custom cookie banner message, and add or delete buttons from the banner. Buttons are added as shortcodes that can be copied from the help guide section or the button customization settings page. To style the cookie banner, you can choose a background and text color. Pop-up and widget options are also available to display the cookie banner. Now comes the button customization part, which can be done by opening the Customize Buttons tab. You can do individual customization of buttons like accept, accept all, reject, settings, and read more. You can change button text, color, and also choose to show the button as a link. Once you are done, click the Update Settings button and go to your website's front end to view the newly created cookie banner. We hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any queries regarding the plugin, please leave us a comment below.